Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? How you doing? So in today's video, we are going to dye our hair. I am just so tired of paying someone and not doing what I want. So I decided, you know what? I'm just gonna do it myself. And if we messed up, there's nothing else to blame but me. I am just so tired of this yellow bronzy color. So right now we are on the way to Sally Beauty Supplies to get the supplies. So we got the goods. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I walked in there and I didn't know anything. Like, I thought I've done my research, but there's so much variety that I got confused. I literally spent so much time thinking and choosing what I want. Hopefully I did the right thing. So first thing, I can't decide which one should I get, if I should get the titanium or the violet. At first I was just going to get titanium, but then I did more research. I can actually mix and match. I decided to mix it up with Slate. That would give me a darker tone because I feel like titanium is way too lighter for me. So this is what they look like. If you guys are interested, go ahead and screenshot it. I don't know how is this gonna turn out. Let's do this thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, by the way, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. voila! Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Like, overall, I love it. It is great. I just feel less tacky. Whenever I had my blonde hair, I just felt so tacky for some reason. But now I feel like we're kind of put together. The only thing is, as you guys can see on the video, I had to go back and buy more dye because I ran out of it. I went in there with my hair up and a plastic cover in my head. But yeah, overall, I love it so much. It achieved the gray hair that I wanted. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. And also, before I forget, today's shout out goes to Johanna Sophia. Thank you so much, girl, for commenting. You're so sweet. But yeah, if you guys want a shout out, make sure to comment down below whatever you're thinking. Also, like and subscribe. Yup, that's so easy. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys! Bye.